a true hardware manufacturer is going to give you the ability to customize your hardware for the look that you're going for. When you're looking at door hardware, if you're looking for a pre-configured set, Baldwin's got you covered with the Reserve Collection and the Quick Ship Estate Collection. They've got over 6,000 SKUs in these two books right here that got you covered for those easy sales, those pre-configured sets. But a true hardware manufacturer is going to give you the ability to customize your hardware for the look that you're going for. They should give you the ability to customize your hardware and select your lever, select your rows, and piece it together for that look that you're really going for. To do that, on each door you're going to need 3 required pieces, and if you have a pre-bored door or a hole in your door already, it'll add a 4th piece. You're going to need a lever for every door, a rose for every door, and a latch for every door. If you've got a pre-bored door or a hole in the door already, we're going to add a pre-bored door adapter. To make the process easier, I've actually created a cheat sheet so you can double check yourself to make sure you've got all those required pieces. Again, if you're looking for a pre-configured set, we've got a lot of options, but if you really want to get custom and get that look that you're going for, piecing it together is not hard, and the cheat sheet will make it that much easier. There's a reason why Baldwin Hardware is my favorite hardware company, and it has to do with the quality of the products and the beauty of the products and the customization that you're able to do. Now it's that much easier to bring it into your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe so I could show up on your feed. Thanks so much for watching.